Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the VanLynk app on your iPad. You'll first want to open the App Store and click on the search. You'll then want to type in VanLynk. Click on search. You want to make sure you install the version that is for iPads. Click on the download button. Once it's installed, you should see the app on your home screen. Click on the icon. When you open the app, you should see a green login button at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. You'll want to type in the username and password that your account admin has provided for you. Then click Login. You'll want to accept your login terms and conditions and click Continue. You are now logged in to the VanLynk app on your iPad. Thank you.